In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-generate charts from form responses in Google Sheets. If you're collecting data with Google Forms and want clear visuals right inside Sheets, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to link your form, insert a chart, choose the right chart type, and let it update automatically as new responses roll in. First, link your Google form to a Google Sheet. In your form, open the Responses tab and click the green Sheets icon. You'll be prompted to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. Either option is fine. The key is that your form becomes connected to a sheet where every new submission will appear as a new row. This gives you a live dataset to chart. Next, open the linked Google Sheet. You'll see the first row filled with column headers that match your form questions plus a timestamp column. These headers are important because Sheets uses them for chart labels. If you plan to visualize a specific question, decide which column or columns you want to include. Now, select the data range you want to chart. You can drag to highlight a specific set of cells, or select whole columns to keep the range flexible as responses grow. For example, selecting an entire question column ensures new entries are automatically included. If the timestamp isn't useful for your chart, simply avoid selecting it. With your data highlighted, click Insert, then Chart. Sheets will generate a chart and open the chart editor on the right. Here's where you choose the chart type that best fits your data. For multiple choice or categorical responses, a column chart or pie chart works well. For trends over time or scaled responses, a line chart can be clearer. In the setup section of the chart editor, confirm the data range and that the use row 1 as headers option is correctly applied so labels look right. If the axes seem flipped, try switching rows and columns in the editor to correct the orientation. From here, your chart is live. Because the form is linked, every new response adds a row to your sheet, and the chart updates automatically to reflect the latest data. No manual refresh needed. To keep everything tidy, you can resize or reposition the chart within the sheet so it's easy to review alongside the raw responses. That's it. Link the form, open the sheet, select your data, insert a chart, and choose the chart type that tells your story best. Repeat the same process for any other questions you want to visualize.